Congratulations on purchasing your Aeropilate Precision Series Cadillac. With your Cadillac, you should have received the following accessories in your box: a push-through bar with a set of locking T-pins, a securing strap, safety chain, push-through bar spring, a set of leg springs, a set of arm springs, a set of hand and foot straps, and a roll-down bar. I'm going to be showing you where and how to assemble your Cadillac. We're going to start first with the push-through bar. Let's start with attaching your push-through bar onto the Cadillac. If you'll notice, you have 4 holes on the Cadillac. The push-through bar can go into any of these 4 holes. For a taller individual or someone with more limited shoulder and hip mobility, you're going to want to bring the bar farther up. For someone who's shorter in stature or has more mobility in the shoulder and hip, it's okay to bring the bar farther down, thus letting the bar swing closer to the bed of the Cadillac. Go ahead and pick up your push-through bar. You're going to remove your T-springs by pushing on the button in the center. If you're doing this by yourself, give yourself a minute. I'm going to go ahead and place it on the second hole from the top. You're going to put the T-pin through, pushing on that button, get it into the hole through the push-through bar, then come around, line it up with the corresponding hole on the other side, pushing the center of the T-pin again, and bringing it through. Now that the push-through bar in, let's move on to the securing strap. The securing strap is going to be placed using your link at the top center eye hook of the Cadillac. Go ahead and lock it into place. Your securing strap is going to be used when you're not using your push-through bar to hold it up and out of the way by bringing the bar up and taking the nylon loop around it and clipping it into place. This way you can do your arm and leg work without it hanging down and interfering with your exercises. Now we're going to move on to the safety chain. The safety chain must be in use when you're using your push-through bar spring from below. Your safety chain will go on before you place the spring and be removed after you remove the spring when doing the exercises. You're going to place your safety chain at the top eye bolt, place the link through, secure it into place. Your safety chain can be adjusted depending on your height if you need more or less room to safely slide underneath the bar when in use. I'm going to go ahead and set the safety chain up for me at about link 6. Then, when placing the safety chain on the push-through bar, you're going to bring the bar up and you're going to place it on one of the top hooks on either side, securing it into place. Your push-through bar spring is the spring with the safety sleeve on it. You're going to place the push-through bar spring from below on either side of the Cadillac at the bottom on that eye hook. Go ahead and bring the link around and secure it into place. Once the safety chain securing strap and spring from below are placed on the Cadillac, you'll rarely need to move these from those positions. When you're using this push-through bar spring from below, you want to make sure that the sleeve is pushed all the way down to protect the platform vinyl and your hair and clothing from getting pinched in the spring. You're going to use the double-ended clip to bring it up and attach it onto the push-through bar, the bottom hook. Let's move on to the legs and arm springs. When you're not using the safety chain, it's a good idea to loop it through so that it is also out of the way. You have a set of leg springs and a set of arm springs. Your leg springs are the longer and thicker of the 2 sets of springs. You also have a set of links and double-ended clips with each set of springs. Your leg springs will be placed on the Cadillac depending on your height and what exercise you're performing. Generally, when you're seated on the platform, you're going to place it on one of the eye hooks at shoulder height. Your leg springs will also want to be secured with the link. Then you can attach your foot and hand straps to your leg springs when in use. Your arm springs are also your roll down bar springs and your push through bar springs from above. They are the shorter and narrower of the two sets of springs. When performing arm work, you're going to pick the eye hook with the corresponding exercise, depending on whether you're standing, sitting, or laying down. When using the arm springs as roll down bar springs or with push through springs from above, you're going to place them at the top of the Cadillac. Secure them into place. When using them with the push-through bar, you're going to bring the bar through and use the double-ended clip onto the corresponding clips on the push-through bar. You'll generally want to put both springs on the push-through bar. When you want to use the roll-down bar, take the roll-down bar and clip it onto the arm springs. And now you're ready to go. I hope this quick setup video helps get you started and working out on your Aeropilates Cadillac.